Okay. The name of God, huh? Okay. What the name of our course that we are going to start? And what does it stand for? Network Association. MTCNA or Mikrotik Certified Network Association. What does it mean? It means the person who passed the exam of MTCNA know everything about Mikrotik. Knows everything about Mikrotik, but a little. Okay? So, we can call this person as a technician. We can call this person as a supporter. So we can take a network that designed based on Mikrotik, to him or her, and he or she can handle the network. For example, if there is some problem with the routers, he or she can fix it. If there is some problem with the wireless link, he or she can fix it. But he or she can't deploy and improve the network. Okay, he or she can't extend the network. Okay, because he or she is a network association, is a network technician, is a network supporter. What does it mean? It means he or she has a knowledge only deep, only 1 inch, but wide as 1 mile. But wide as 1 mile. For example, you know about routing. You will know about bandwidth management. You will know how to run VPN server. You will know how to run PPO server. You will know how to run, for example, firewall, but a little. After MTCNA, we are going to start engineering courses. Mikrotik has 10 courses. Mikrotik has 10 courses. The first course is MTCNA. This is the base of all other courses. For example, if you want to pass the MTCRE or routing engineer course, you should first pass the MTCNA course. If you want to pass the MTCWE or wireless engineer course, at first you should pass the MTCNA course. At our first step, we are going to learn what is the outline of MTCNA and the other course. What does it mean? It means we are going to know what we'll learn in these 5 days. Okay? So, at first go to mikrotik.com/training and then go to about. Okay? Here are of the courses of Mikrotik. As you can find, MTCNA is based all of the other course. If you want to know what will you learn in this course, all of the course has a link, view outline. For example, MTCNA, Mikrotik Certified Network Associate, MTCRE, Mikrotik Certified Routing Engineer, MTCWE, Mikrotik Certified Wireless Engineer, MTCTCE, my lovely course, Mikrotik Certified Traffic Control Engineer, MTCUME, User Management Engineer, MTCINE, Internet Networking. You know how to run BGP, how to run MPLS, VPLS, traffic engineer, and the other thing. And one of the most essential course for every internet service provider like Online IQ, Mr. Qarib, you have to know MTCSE, Mikrotik Certified Security Engineer. I think about 1 years from now, 1 years later, Mr. Qarib told me there is too many attack on our network. Our CPU process is 100%, and nobody can fix it. Do you remember? Did you remember? And I think it take about half an hour, 30 minutes to fix that because of this course. Okay? So you have to know the outline. Okay? You have to know the outline. So I click on we outline for MTCNA. Wait a minute, there's some problem with your internet. Okay. Mikrotik suggests us if you want to pass the MTCNA course, you need 3 days. You need 3 days. It means your course start at 8 or 9 in the AM through 5 in the PM. Every 1 hour you have 10 minutes of rest, and in the mid of the day you have 1 hour for your prime time or lunch time. But all of these courses are generated very standard. Okay, so Mikrotik tell you what should you know before this course and what will you learn after this course. Okay, so target audience means who should start this course. Network engineers, and technician wanting to deploy and support corporate network, client CPE means the network sides of client, for example radio on the top of the house of the client. Okay, and WISP or a wireless internet service provider. Who is this one? You are the WISP or wireless internet service provider. And ISPs means, for example, someone like IQ provide internet for online IQ and also provide internet for clients. For example, FTTH, ADSL, SDSL, VDSL, the other type of technology that you can provide the internet for your clients. Okay? So this is the target students, means who wants to learn the course. Okay, who wants to learn the course. And there is course prerequisite, means what should you know before start the discourse. What should you know before you start the course. Okay, the students must have a good understanding of TCP/IP and subnetting. One of the most big problem of the network administrator of subnetting. They can calculate subnetting in their mind. They're using online subnet calculator. It's not okay. Okay, and I think about 6 of your question in MTCRE based on subnetting. Okay, so you have to learn how to manipulate and calculate the subnetting, and I have some formula made by my own. Okay, and I will teach you how to manipulate subnetting very fast and quickly. Okay, so suggest reading before this course. Search for IPv4 tutorials. If any one of you can understand Farsi, Persian, you can go to my website. I know Ahmed used my website. Go to my website, and there is too many courses for free. In the memory of my father passed away 8 years ago, and I made this website in the memory of him. Okay, all of the courses are free here. For example, you can learn Firewall for free. You can learn Network Plus for free. Everything is free here. And also there is too many ebooks, and also there is example test, for example, test of MTCNA, test of Microsoft exam and the other thing. And also there is the software that you need. For example, the best version of SolarWinds. Okay? So if you want to learn, for example, programming and the other thing, there is too many teachers that teach these courses. Or if you want to run the web server, if you want to learn English, if you want to learn French, if you want to learn Turkish, the other thing. But the special course for you is this course, Network Plus. Okay, this is really a professional course, and also it's for free. If you can understand Farsi, use this course. Okay, there is more than 20 session, okay, you can use this for free. Okay, it means there is no cost for this course. Okay, so Mikrotik divide each course. I'm going to teach you very slowly to understand. We are an example in Farsi. یک دهه آباد به از هزار شهر ویرانه means if there is a complete and beautiful village is better than 100 for example 100 city there is too many problem. یک ده آباد به از هزار شهر ویرانه. Mikrotik wants its students to understand each course very completely. So divide the courses in many modules. What does it mean? It means if you want to learn, for example, DXCP, just start learning DXCP module. If you want learning firewall, just reading firewall module. They are independent from the other module. Okay? So, Mikrotik divide MTCNA course in 8 module. Okay? So, we are going to know what are in these modules. After complete this PDF, we are going to start the module number 1. Okay, there is 8 modules. Don't worry, I record all of the course for you. You can, for example, check this movie, for example, 1000 of the time. Okay, so be relaxed. And if you have one question for a million of times, ask me. Okay, don't be shy. Come out of your shell. Don't be shy. You know what does shy mean? Don't be shy. Come out of your shell. Okay? It's warm term. It's the time to show your ability, to show that you are qualified for your profession, vocation. There is 8 module. Module number 1, introduction. In this course, you learn what is Mikrotik. What is router board? What is router OS? How to install Mikrotik on a VMware? How to work with Mikrotik command line? How to work with Mikrotik Winbox? Okay, introduction. It's an introduction. How to update, upgrade, and downgrade your Mikrotik. Okay, how to upgrade, downgrade your Mikrotik. What is license? How to buy license, how to net install your Mikrotik. Did you ever face with Mikrotik problem? For example, plug your power cord and there is 1 beep, not 2 beep, and your Mikrotik doesn't work. How did? No. You know, did you ever face the problem that when you plug your Mikrotik in the power cord, okay, your Mikrotik turn on, but it doesn't work. For example, you connect to Vimbox and click neighbor, refresh, there is no Mikrotik. How did you fix it? Net install. Okay, we will learn how to work with net install. Okay, in module 2, you learn the basic concept of DHCP. What is DHCP? How to learn DHCP server, how to learn how to run DHCP client, what is DHCP option, okay, and how to secure a DHCP server, what is ARP protocol, how to secure ARP protocol, and also what is ARP attack and DHCP attack. Okay, in module 3 we learn what is bridge, how to make this Mikrotik, our Mikrotik are routers. It means, for example, if your Mikrotik has 5 ports, there is 5 different broadcast domain. There is 5 different LAN. There is 5 different LAN. Okay? For example, in many project and scenario, we want our Mikrotik to operate as a switch. We want our Mikrotik to work and operate as a switch. We use bridging mode to make our Mikrotik to work as a switch. Okay? But we learn and we know what is this exactly. The most problem of Mikrotik, for example, network operators, is they always do the configuration, but they don't know why. For example, I always tell my student, do not use bridge. Do not use bridge. This bridge is really fucking bad feature. It is really fucked up your network. Okay, so we learn exactly what is DHCP, what is bridge. So when we know and find out what is this feature, we know what is the best situation to use this and what is the worst situation to use this. And for example, one of the most problem for your network, as I remember 1 year ago, there is too many loops in your network. And the more what? Okay, so we are going to learn professional as a professional. Why? Because we are going to be professional. Because we are going to be professional. This professional word is a weightful, it's a valuable full words, okay? Professional. Okay? Professional means we are going to be expert. Expert means anyone can find the problem, for example, in a minute. Okay? The next module, we are going to learn what is routing. The most important word in a networking. Okay? What is routing? How to write a route. How to handle the packets to go this way or this way. Okay? We are internet service provider. And the main vocation of us, the main job of us is to handle the packet routing. To handle this packet go this way, this packet go this way. For example, I think 1 hour ago, I and Hama talked about how to handle that traffic come from this way and for example, pass away the filtering and okay, this is routing. Routing is the art of a network administrator. Art of a network administrator. Okay, so in module 4 we learn routing. What is routing? And static routing and the other thing. In module 5 we learned Mikrotik wireless. Okay, how to run and set up a wireless link. The most important thing for your supporters, for your technician in online IQ company. Handle the wireless link. handle the wireless link. And also we will learn some concept of how to secure the link. How to secure the link. Okay? And also learn some tools to optimize the link. Okay, for example, on this link, Mr. Karib asked me, on this link, Iman, we have 10 megabit of bandwidth. Can you increase this bandwidth, for example, to 50 megabit per second? This means optimize the link. For example, this link has a good bandwidth, but the ping time is unstable. There is some packet loss. Hama, can you fix this problem? This means wireless link optimization. Okay? In Module 6, we learn one of the fascinating concepts in Mikrotik. Mikrotik firewall. A layer 7 firewall. What does it mean? It means you can filter your clients that they can't use, for example, Instagram. They can't use WhatsApp. Okay? Huh? Look, but it's a content filtering. It's happened at the layer 7. For example, you find out that, for example, in a company, you find out most of your client use their internet to download Android files, APK file extension for Android, okay? Or for example, most of your clients use the internet to download movie, okay? Use the internet to download movie. But Mr. Qarib wants this company to use the internet, for example, for Bitcoin miner, for example, huh? But when the clients use the internet to download the file, it will makes problem for the Bitcoin miner. Huh? You can use this firewall to block movies. So none of the clients can download the movies. Or for example, they can download the movies, but with the limited of bandwidth. Okay? And also you will learn what is the source NAT and destination NAT and how to configure this wonderful concept. In module 7, you'll learn the QoS. Okay? Quality of service. How to handle the bandwidth, and how to, for example, give a client a dedicated of bandwidth. For example, I granted this bandwidth for you, or a share bandwidth. I sell this bandwidth to all of you for example, very low cost, but there is no guarantee. Shared bandwidth and dedicated bandwidth. In module 8, we will learn how to run a tunnels, VPN server, and also PPOE server. The main heart of your company is a PPOE server. Your company increased and built on PPOE server. All of your clients are connect and authenticate and accounting based on PPOE protocol, point-to-point protocol over Ethernet. It means at the end of this course, you will learn how to regenerate online IQ again. Okay? In module 9, there is some theoretical concept, there is no scenario, only theoretical. For example, what is email in Mikrotik, what is netwatch, what is ping, and the other module that there is in your router. Okay, this is only an introduction to MTCNA course. After this movie, I will stop this movie for you as an introduction. After that, we start our course with a scenario. I really don't like to teach these courses in theoretical. Okay, I want my student to learn the concept in scenario. Okay, for example, this is it will not happen that I, for example, configure, okay, all of you click, then click. No. Okay, I do not nothing. I draw a scenario and ask all of you to configure your scenario. I think it's better. At the end of the course, you'll have many experience, because when you configure a router by your own, you will face too many problems. Okay? Do you understand? Okay. I stop this movie and I start the course. Okay?